just put down these plants. We got watermelon, cucumbers, lemon cucumbers. We're going to put all these plants down today, and also the trellis I was telling you about earlier. So, one little thing that I have been doing to set myself up, to condition my ground, is putting coffee grounds. These are coffee grounds, and also eggshells in my soil. So that's what helps my in-ground soil. That's what I do to condition it. As far as granulated fertilizer, I'm not gonna put that much granulated fertilizer down in my soil. That's too expensive. So this is an additive to that granulated fertilizer I do put in. I already pre-did my holes and I pulled out the weeds. Now it's just time for me to decide which plants I'm putting where. So eggshells, they break down slowly. They break down slowly over time. So eggshells are not as fast acting as the coffee grains is. So that's why you want to add both. So right now we are doing a lemon cucumber. I got one over there. We're going to put these two on this side. Looking for my shovel.
Right behind you.
Okay. Thanks, baby.
I don't know why you telling me. Not in me.
Not in me.
No, I'm not. She said she was gonna make me some pancakes today, so that's why I'm holding the camera.
That's why you holding pancakes.
Yes.
I did say that, you guys. So that's the next thing I will be doing after this is making pancakes.
On this Sunday.
On this Sunday.
Starving us.
I'm about to starve y'all.
Not really, but mentally.
Whatever. Alright, these are cucumbers. We got national picking cucumbers.
National picking cucumbers.
Yep. So you just want to squeeze the bottom of your container to get the dirt out, whole, to get your seedlings out. Then just pull them apart gently. Alright. So we're going to put this one over here. Alright. So you see how clay-like my soil is? That's what the coffee grains help to make it less clay-like. To add some
body to the soil.
Yep, add some body to the soil. Alright. So these are national picking cucumbers as well. We got these other ones to put over here. We're going to put two in one spot. I know I just separated, but I'm going to put it to the furthest end of the holes. That's the plan. Just mixing it in. So one gonna go on this side, and then the other one gonna go on this side. So I have kale interplanted over here as well. And eventually all of the kale will get pulled out when it's done producing for me. Right now it's producing very well, so probably by midsummer it probably bolt. And I'll pull it out and give the cucumbers more space to grow. Okay, on to the next one that I just pulled out. Let's do this one. So, it's 4 cucumber plants. I'm gonna make another. Nope, I don't have to. We're gonna put 1 here, well 2 here, 2 here. Start with this one first. So I got Swiss chard right here.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice. I don't know what we do with it, y'all, but she can grow
We
it.
use it inside our greens to make mixed greens.
Wonderful.
But you also can use it for soup as well.
She just feed me, man. She make good food.
And stir fry.
Oh, that's good.
If you eat stir fry. I don't think we eat stir fry like this.
But we put meat in ours. It's just a little different. It's just a little different.
Just a little different.
It's just a little different.
It's still stir fry.
It's still, yeah.
You gotta put some shrimp and stuff
Yeah,
in it.
there's a little extra stuff. You know, we from Mississippi. We gonna put a little more, a little different stuff. A little more meat and some stuff, other stuff.
Make sure we get some meat in there.
We gotta get our protein down here.
Got to. Alright, y'all. Just making the area a little bit bigger so we can hold all this cucumber. There we go.
You got it like a roll. Okay.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
All cucumber plants are in, and we even got the lemon cucumber in. Only thing left is the watermelon and the cucumber. Look at those. All right. Now, so for the cucumber, they so small and delicate. We're gonna kind of put them close to the kale so the kale can provide shade until they get big enough. All right, that's the plan. We're gonna put them kind of along the line here. Use the rest of this eggshells and coffee grains for this area. Pass me the bag for me. Thank you. All right. We got a little bit left for the watermelon. All right. Just loosening the soil up. So, even though they small, we still gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get as much as the root we can with each plant. I'm glad the soil is kind of wet, so it's...
All that rain have been doing the last week.
Yes, it's working out for me, so I'm glad about that, making it easier. Alright, y'all, look how small these cucumbers is. Want to make sure all the roots is covered up best I can. It's okay if it's close to the ground.
My bad, y'all. This thing any type of shaker. This is my first time getting paid to do this job.
Paid in love.
Yeah, paid in pancakes.
Oh, paid in pancakes.
My pancakes. You see how she started forgetting?
Look, I am not forgetting. Alright, y'all. Last plants. The watermelon. These are sugar baby. Turns out they bush sugar baby watermelon plants. whatever the bush part mean. I just know they sugar baby watermelons. Alright, we gonna get my shovel. I ain't gonna be able to dig that hard stuff. We're gonna put 1, 2 here. Yeah, I know how I do in my small space. Honestly, you weren't supposed to put 2 here, but I'm gonna do it, and we gonna see how it work out. At least one of them gonna live.
Yep.
All right.
Right about that.
Right there. Right there. Get my little nutrients for it.
My bad, y'all. Mosquito.
Give me that coffee grounds one more time. It's right there.
Shit.
Almost done, y'all.
They like my blood.
These mosquitoes tagging my
Cameraman.
my cameraman right now.
Slash up.
Slash up.
Don't try to get all. What's his name? No, that's mine.
So this one right here that ain't got that many roots, we're gonna put him over there. Then we're gonna put this one that got all this dirt with it on this other side. Alright. Put you down. There we go. Those 2 are done. Now, time to put this other 2 about right here. And that'll be it, y'all. Next thing to be done is to put the trellis down so all these plants could climb on that trellis. I am not putting the net down today. I will do that off camera.
They are taking me.
Sorry, baby. They probably is because they hit. I ain't had that much mosquito activity while I be out here till you guys out here.
I got that good blood. Yeah.
I'm a country girl.
I got
this country girl shit.
Yeah,
I
well,
was raised in the country.
yeah, you old country girl, married to an inner city child.
Yeah, he's an
Inner city person. I ain't come from all this. I'm learning it as we come along.
He ain't learned about the mosquitoes, y'all. He always had mosquitoes, but
I'm bad, child. I done fucked up.
here we go.
Yeah, show them what you did. I'm so trying to play shit. I'm trying
All
to
right.
get them off.
So we got the watermelon down here. 1 watermelon, 2, 3, and 4. All right, we got all these cucumbers down here. They are in their final home for the summer. Next thing left to do is just to put this trellis up. And we are done with today, you guys. Our garden chores are done. Thanks for watching. Oh, you made it this far to this trellis part. Like, comment, share, and put a cucumber emoji down below because we finna put this trellis in just a minute. Keep watching. Alright, y'all, we are back and we have the trellis up. Look at it. Look at all the cucumber plants. Putting the kale under the trellis. This is a dream to me, y'all. It looks wonderful. This is exactly what I wanted. Only thing I gotta do is put the net up tomorrow. That's what I would do. Look at my beans over here that we talked about earlier. But yeah, and connect the rest of these fruit plants that's been growing, like my cucumber over here. They got really big. It's just doing its thing right here. So yeah, we're gonna connect that to this trellis, and that is all for today, you guys. I'm gonna go cook some pancakes for these 5 kids and this man that's hungry, might I add. Let those plants do their thing. I promise you, when the net get up there, they will be all over that little cucumbers. But yeah, that's the hubby. Picking strawberries. Look at him picking strawberries, y'all. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. I will see y'all next time. Dirty hands and all, same way, same thing, same time. See y'all next time, same channel. All right, bye.